problems or the challenges that our project is facing are anthropogenic impacts of habitat change, so land use change, whether it's absolute loss of the habitat or degradation of that habitat that's important for key species.
Anthropogenic means anything originating from or caused by humans. So when we're talking about anthropogenic effects on wildlife, we're interested in issues in their habitats caused by people. So this could be things like climate change, deforestation, roads or power lines or farms or anything that we've put in the way, basically.
Our research looked to try and address this by firstly understanding what type of habitat some of these important species needed, so things like the Malay sun bear, for example. And then if we can understand the habitat that they need, then we can relate that to how those landscapes are being managed and guide management decisions to hopefully enhance and improve other habitat areas for those species and their conservation.
When we're looking at anthropogenic factors, I think it's really, really important to consider how humans and animals interact, because we don't want to separate them. We don't want to just say, well, we'll save the primates over here and all the people live over here. Sometimes we're in the same place, so we've got to find ways to make that work for everybody.
Some of the sort of solutions that our research has been offering is actually informing ecosystem restoration policy. So this is a measure or a way of helping to manage landscapes that may have been lost through other human impacts, so logging or plantation, but instead we're managing those landscapes to restore their functionality.
Much of our work is international now, with collaborations from all over the place. So I can be in Wales and working with colleagues in Costa Rica or Kenya or anywhere. And so it's really nice to highlight that and be able to bring that forward into our teaching.